Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises Minister Jogendra Behera courted controversy when his personal security guard was caught on the camera tying the strap of his sandal at the Independence Day celebration. The security guard first untied Behera's sandal and then strapped them on later after the minister hoisted the flag. When the press asked the minister about the entire incident, he said, "I'm a VIP. What is wrong if the security guard straps my sandal on? He's entrusted to look after me," unquote.
And ordinarily,
इसको ऑर्डर नहीं किया, मैं इसको जस्ट आई रिक्वेस्ट हिम टू हेल्प मी, सो इसको मैं मेरा लड़का जैसा देखता हूँ. मैं सेल्फ इज सीनियर सिटीजन, मेरा रनिंग ऑफ 75 इयर्स, मेरे को 75 इयर्स चल रहा है. मेरा लेग का बहुत सीवियर इंजरी है और कोटे में दूसरा कोई रहता तो मैं इसको बोला तो मेरे को हेल्प कर, मैं हेल्प आ गया इसको, मैं इसको इसलिए मैं शुक्रिया हूँ.
and ordinarily, nobody will like this sort of behavior of a minister, or especially in a day in face of before thousands of people disapprove this sort of behavior of a minister.
He is an old age man and his knee was operated in AMI only 2 days back. So it was difficult on his part to fold and put the lace of the boat. His PSO, who was like a son, always stands by side him, thought it in a humanitarian gown that he should help him.
ये तो बहुत ही दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है, अपमानजनक है उसे सिक्योरिटी फोर्सेस का जिनसे ये काम करा रहे हैं, और अपमानजनक है उस अवसर का भी, एक झंडे का भी, जिसके फहराते हुए उन्होंने इस तरह का एक अमर्यादित आचरण किया. इसकी निंदा की जानी चाहिए और उड़ीसा के मुख्यमंत्री को इसका संज्ञान लेना चाहिए.
It's exceptionally unfortunate. Such people should be publicly condemned.
और अगर आप सिर्फ इस बात पर छूट जाता कि किसी ने उनका लेस बांधा था तो चलिए हो सकता है कभी किसी से कोई हो जाता हो, वो भी नहीं करना चाहिए, लेकिन वो उतना तक ठीक है. लेकिन अगर मानसिक रूप से आप अपने आप को, क्योंकि आप चुने गए हैं, आप अपने आप को एक राजनीतिक नेता और जनरल नेता की जगह सामंती समझने लगे, तो फिर आज के लोकतंत्र में कम से कम ऐसे लोगों की जगह नहीं है.
Let's go across to my colleague Iknoor joining us with further details. Iknoor, somebody needs to explain to this minister, PSO actually stands for Personal Security Officer and not a personal slave, and that's something, of course, the minister hasn't understood.
Definitely an extremely shocking incident that's coming to light, and the manner in which so arrogantly he got up later and said that, so what, I'm a VIP, yes, and he's not the one who actually unfurled the flag, I am the one who did it, so what's wrong if he actually strapped my sandals on? And this is the kind of attitude that we see in most VIPs, that the PSOs are used as servants and slaves by these VIPs, and that's exactly what has happened here. And the worst part is that even after being questioned, there's an arrogance where he feels that he has the right to make his PSO do whatever he wants. But so far, never has any sort of an issue been created over the manner in which PSOs have been treated by most VIPs. Okay. And that is why such incidents repeatedly happen.
We'll leave it at that, Iknoor. Thanks very much for the moment.